My name is Claudio Costantino. I'm responsible for the design for the Gothic Cross. I do drawings and survey for historic buildings and monuments and statuary. So this is the Gothic Cross base panels, and this is part of the monument. The monument is divided into three parts, so the base and the first level and the second level. So it reaches a height of 4 meters. I've been able to draw on Rhino, on this 3D software program, and this shows the details of crests and the quatrefoil section above. This is one of the 4 base panels, about 300 kilograms of fired codestone. These are the 3 existing panels, and at the back you can see the new 4th panel, which was the original was in 3 pieces. So we decided to make a new one. These are part of the fragments, more than 300 fragments of the Gothic Cross. It's been stored at Stowe for many years, and now we use these to design the missing parts, basically, of the monument.
Hello, my name's Jez Ainsworth. I'm the manufacturer of this beautiful Gothic Cross in Codestone. My background in terracotta goes back 33 years. Codestone is effectively, it's just a terracotta, but it's a very fine, it's a fine stoneware clay. These are the components for the mould for this one piece. Fill it full of your code material, making sure to press evenly into all the corners to get a very good solid body. And then once that's gone off, you leave that for approximately an hour to go off in the mould. Then what happens is the plaster will suck the moisture from the clay, and then it's ready to be stripped. And you strip, turn the mould over, strip the mould, and you finish with these pieces here. As you see here, you've got 2 here. And all I'm doing now is putting them together, make sure it's a good match. You'll put that to one side, just let it air dry for a few days, and then you can put it into a warm room. And then it goes in the kiln for 5 days. It comes out as codestone, fired codestone.
Hello, my name's Nick Barnfield. I'm the project manager for Clifton Conservation on this project. And I've been overseeing all the disparate parts because it's very much a jigsaw puzzle, and we've sort of tried to approach it forensically in getting all the pieces and then matching them to the original and slowly building this whole picture. And now I've actually tasked myself with actually trying to build the thing. So this is the base block, so these are really the key to the whole assemblage. So we've got to get these exactly right to fit in with the 4 buttresses and up to that first floor vault. So here we are with the first floor buttressing, and as you can see they're sat on a template. Now this is the ideal footprint that we want to achieve with the base blocks outside. Now the vault actually starts in the middle, so you've got finished on the inside, but then you'll have a blank on the outside. When these extra pieces then fit here and here to finish the buttress, and then on up to the next level. So here we are on the final buttressing up to the next stage, the final vault, which is obviously a much smaller dimension. This is the other thing that's quite interesting about this project. It is, it gets quite jewel-like at the top. So we're talking very small, which is a testament to Jez's craftsmanship in that he started off with something quite big and he's got smaller and smaller, and he's still able to maintain that detail all the way out. And then the vault will fit in there and go into the centre with the roof and the 4 pinnacles on top.
My name is Trevor Proudfoot, and I am the Managing Director of Clifton Conservation. This job is the start for us of reconstructing. We've already manufactured replacement pieces, and it's at a critical point. As you can see, we have the base. It's the pedestal upon which we will build all the rest of the structure, which will, I presume, go up about 20 feet. It is upon us to make sure that this is a job which is one that Stowe will feel proud of, and of course we will feel proud of having undertaken it. It's important because it involves a certain amount of research to reproduce code stone. Now, code stone is stoneware. It's a fired material. It's a ceramic. There is some talk about it being a secret recipe, but in fact the recipes was known from some of the archaeological work which was undertaken at the old code factory in the 1950s on the south side of the Thames near Westminster, and there they found all the ingredients that Eleanor Code used, which were grog, that's fired clay, china clay, flux, which was silica, and 1 or 2 other ingredients. Those were all fired at very high temperature for a long time. We know that Code's kiln man, for instance, spent 5 days firing, because there's a note in one of Eleanor Code's letters saying the kiln man was drunk on the 5th day. We can say now that we can reproduce Code, as you can see, evident by this piece here and by the other pieces which will be coming to site. Not only of the right colour, but also of the right hardness and with the right surface as well, which is important.